Setting up group travel bookings in Navan is simple, but there are a few key steps that make the process smooth and efficient. Whether you're handling travel for a business or coordinating a group trip, Navan offers intuitive tools to streamline your booking experience. To start, create an account or log in to your existing Navan profile. Once you're in, you'll see an easy-to-navigate dashboard where you can manage all your travel needs, including group bookings. It's essential to ensure that you have the proper permissions to manage bookings for a group, so make sure you're either an administrator or have the appropriate access. Now, let's dive into the group booking process. First, click on the Create New Trip button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of trip, whether it's for a business event, a conference, or something more casual. This sets the tone for the types of services and accommodations that will be suggested. Next, enter the details for your trip, like dates, destinations, and the number of travelers. Navan's system will automatically suggest group-friendly options for flights, hotels, and transportation. Here's where you'll notice Navan's strength. It doesn't just show individual bookings, it consolidates everything into group travel options, making it easier to see your choices for a larger party. Once the options are loaded, you can filter through them based on preferences like cost, travel time, or class of service. This is where Navan really shines. It lets you customize everything. For example, you can select specific airlines that are preferred or avoid certain brands. You can also add specific travel needs like dietary restrictions or accessibility features. For accommodations, Navan allows you to book a range of options from shared rooms to entire hotels with special rates for larger groups. The booking system is flexible enough to handle a variety of group sizes and needs. If you need rooms next to each other or have specific requirements, Navan lets you make those adjustments. Once you've selected your travel options, the next step is managing the payment process. For group travel bookings, it's crucial to have a clear payment method. Navan allows you to set up payment plans for your group, so each individual can pay their portion. This is particularly useful for businesses or event coordinators. What's really great about Navan is that it tracks the progress of the booking process in real time. You can see who's confirmed, who's still pending, and whether any issues have come up. This way, you're never left wondering about the status of your group's travel arrangements. If you need to make any changes after booking, you can easily adjust the details of individual bookings within the group. This flexibility ensures that last-minute changes are easy to manage without disrupting the whole process. You'll also be able to handle cancellations directly through the platform. For those of you looking to save time, Navan offers automated recommendations for group travel based on past behavior or preferences. So, the more you use it, the smarter the platform gets in suggesting your ideal travel arrangements. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that this process is all available with an exclusive extended free trial to Navan, which you can get through the first link below. If you're ready to dive into setting up group travel bookings in Navan, this free trial gives you access to all the features I've mentioned here and more, at absolutely no cost for a limited time. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up group travel bookings in Navan. Whether you're booking for a business, a conference, or a family trip, this platform is designed to make the process as easy and seamless as possible. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive extended trial. You're all set to start booking group travel like a pro in no time.